There are two types of calibration for the i5000 Auto Optic. A field calibration should be completed every 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how dirty your environment is. You will see the following message when your verifier is overdue for field calibration. To field calibrate your i5000 Auto Optic unit, you will need the calibration card provided with your unit. Press the print icon and left arrow, and then press the blue select button and follow the prompts. Make sure you take the calibration card out of the plastic sleeve, then place the scan head over the white square and press select. Once the verifier is done with the white square, move it over to the black square and press select again. Now you have completed the field calibration. To test that your unit is reading the reflectance accurately, you can move the Auto Optic head over each square when in this screen and see what reflectance value it is reading. It should be within a few percent of the value shown on your calibration card. Press up to exit the calibration screen. The other calibration is the factory calibration, and that cannot be completed remotely. This should be completed annually and ensures compliance with ISO standards. We complete this in a 24-hour turn and have loaner units available if needed. To see when your verifier was last factory calibrated, press the print button and power button and look towards the bottom of the screen for factory recert date. You can also see when your verifier was last field calibrated just above this. This concludes the calibration of your RJS i5000 Auto Optic. Please see our other videos for more information or contact us for further questions.